Hi, this is Fred. So we're going to show you how you can install the latest version of the BigBlueButtonBN plugin for Moodle from the Moodle.org website. So here I've got a Moodle site. I'm just clicking install from the Moodle plugins directory, and it's going to take me to Moodle.org. I've already logged in. Let's search for the BigBlueButton plugin. You only need the BigBlueButtonBN plugin. It will have both the ability to create meetings and record them as well. So click install. And I'm installing here on a local test site. You can confirm, yeah, that's what you want to install. And it will download it. You click continue. Everything looks good. Update the Moodle plugin database, and then click continue. And at this point, you'll be presented with the options. You can leave most of them just as a default. Come back later on, check them out. It's also linked to a default BigBlueButton server as well. So lots of ways to configure it, but for the purpose of this example, we're just going to choose the defaults. So we'll click Save Changes and go back to Site Authentication, do a quick check, look at the plugins, overview, and we'll see that it's installed. Okay, so with the BigBlueButtonBN plugin installed, we're ready to add it to a course. So here I have a test course. I'm going to turn on the editing, and I'm going to add an activity or resource. In this case, I'll choose the BigBlueButtonBN activity. Again, there's lots of choices when you can configure it, but for here, we're just going to give it a name. And again, later on, you can come back, see lots of the options, but we'll just call it Online Classes Thursday, 6 to 9 p.m. Nothing else to change. We'll just save and return to course. Okay, we've got a link now that students can click on, and instructors and students can go into an online session, collaborate, and let's do it. So we'll click on it. It'll take it to an intermediate page that will check to see if there's any recordings, and then it will give us a link to join the session. So this link takes to the test install server maintained by Lightside Networks. It's there for you can test out the Moodle integration, and you can see it launch into BigBlueButton, and then you can see it come back into Moodle. So here we're on a session on the server. We can join the audio. Students could be joining in as well. I'm just going to test the audio. You say a few words, you hear it back. At this point, you can chat, you can upload slides, you can annotate, you can do polling. You can share your webcam, you can record this session, you can do emojis. Here I'm just using the whiteboard to draw onto a blank slide, but it's a full online session. And again, I encourage you to try it out. You can see what you can do with yourself and your students online, and it's integrated directly from inside of Moodle. From here, I'm just going to draw a few more lines, then I quit out, and when I quit out, you'll see that it takes you right back to Moodle to the site. And later on, after you return back, the recording would become available. So that's an overview of the BigBlueButtonBN plugin for Moodle. You can install it right from the Moodle.org website, and it will let you access BigBlueButton right from the side of Moodle, so that you have a very tight integrated experience, both for teaching students online, online coaching, virtual office hours, whatever you want to use for it. For more information, go to BigBlueButton.org.